Welcome everyone to the Passionate Packrat and another episode of Puppy Picks a Pack. Do something a little different. And for those who have not seen this and want to participate, please do. You have to select a pack that my dog, Olive, will select. And I put kibbles on each pack, and the first kibble that she eats from whatever pack she selects, and then I will send you a couple packs. Anyways, this week we have Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, OPT 2223 Hobby Pack, Bowman 2022, Panini Prism 12 cards per pack, 2021. There's 2 packs in there. There's 18 cards actually. MVP 23-24 Hockey, 2021 Baseball, and 2021-22 Skybacks, Metal Universe, and 21-22 Chronicles Basketball. So what I thought I would do is offer some cards I've been going through. So we'll start with this one. Goes with MVP, even though it's from the year previous. Nonetheless, it'll go there. Prospects. This goes Metal Universe. Quentin Byfield, folks. Oh, My Story from the Kingpin. And I can see my reflection in there. How ugly is that? This is a subset of Into the Universe Spider-Man. Playing card, Matthew Barzal. OPG, Jeremy Pina. This is a prospect Bowman. I think this is 2021, but I'm going to put it on 2022. Scotty Barnes, marquee rookie. Go over there. Corey Seager, Fireworks Prism. Ooh. That's kind of a cool card, though. I like that card. Very nice. And, you know, I was discussing with Eric over at It's Us Again, and we were talking, or I was commenting about how much I love Stadium Club and their photography, but, you know, the retros are, I know they're known for their retro, but, you know, I made the comment I'd rather have the original. And it doesn't get more iconic than that card right there. And I'm going to put it on Heritage. So I'll send whoever gets this right, first one, I'll send a couple packs, except for the Prism. This is all I have with the Prism. So, but knowing me, I'll send other stuff along with it. That's what I do. Anyways, pick your poison, folks. What's Olive gonna pick? We'll find out. Thanks for watching, and get your selections in. I'll 3 o'clock tomorrow, Friday, we will release the results and see what my Havanese puppy had selected. Thanks for watching. Take care. Okay, folks, the kibble's down. She is raring to go. She's waiting up. There we go. What do we got?